Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. It is October, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Strong is the new beautiful. And I just want to remind you ladies, if you're 40 years old or older, make sure you get a mammogram. It's so important. I want to teach you how to use the delay button on your Instant Pot. In other words, if you're going to cook something, but you're like, oh my goodness, I'm going to be away for a couple of hours and I'd like my food to be ready when I get back, but it doesn't need to start for a couple of hours. This is what we use, the delay start. So let's do it. In order for us to use the delay start button, you're going to turn your pressure cook button on. I'm going to have it set for 8 minutes because this is what I would use for doing mashed potatoes, and I have it on high pressure. Now I'm going to press delay start. I don't want my mashed potatoes to start for 2 hours, so I've got that set at 2. We just let it sit there. It'll stop blinking in just a moment. Make sure you put your lid on. Make sure your sealing valve is on sealed and you let it do its thing. Last Sunday, I had a bunch of teenagers coming to my house after church. So before going to church, I put my potatoes in the liner pan that had already been cut up, washed and diced, and I had it full, the right amount of water covering the potatoes. And then I put in a little sprinkle of salt, and then I did what I showed you. When I came home from church, my potatoes were ready. All I had to do was drain the water, add a little milk, and blend away, and our mashed potatoes were ready. The delay start is so easy to use and so incredible. If you have a meeting or whatever it is, if you just want to in the morning get your food ready for lunch and you just get it ready, then press that delay start for however long you don't want it to start cooking. Then it kicks in at that right time. It's amazing. I hope this little tip has helped you. Please leave me comments down below and suggestions of things you'd like to see me make in the Instant Pot. Thanks so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.